Are you looking for a simple Mercedes stereo upgrade? The older Mercedes came with a very nice stereo, but it does not have Bluetooth capability. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes original sound system, I got just the thing for you. It's called the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head unit. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. Let me show you how it's done. So when you get in the car, you put in the key, and you turn on the ignition. Set your car radio, turn on the radio.
Interesting thing when there's a hint of
set your radio to 87.9.
You won't find much of that in today's minutes.
To add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes Benz, all you got to do is plug in My Gadget into your car. In this case, in this GLK, this Mercedes GLK, all you got to do is plug in my device into the 12-volt charger back here.
Bluetooth connected.
So we're gonna go back here. You can hear that we just did that. So let me do it again. So we just plug it in and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
That's it. That's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes GLK 350 original sound system right there. Okay, all you gotta do is plug in the device, set the radio to 87.9, and you're ready to number 1, stream music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, add GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older Mercedes factory radio without Bluetooth. If you're wondering what the Gizmo Guy Gadget sounds like, this is what the Gizmo Guy Gadget sounds like on your OEM sound system. Your OEM sound system most likely are very nice system. Okay, all you gotta do is add Bluetooth to it, and you can enjoy all your new smartphone features right through it. Okay, I'm showing you what it sounds like, so I'll shut up. Listen, the bass is deep, the pitch is high. The sound quality, it's almost CD sound quality, unlike anything else. Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, is showing you what this sounds like with the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So that's how easy it is to add Bluetooth to your Mercedes GLK 350 factory radio. Okay, so this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth capability to your older Mercedes factory radio. In this case, would be a GLK 350 original sound system. We just add Bluetooth to it, so we can now, 1, enjoy streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, add GPS navigation functionality, so you'll be able to hear all the GPS navigation instructions from apps like Waze through your car speakers loud and clear. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can connect your smartphone through and add Bluetooth capability to your Mercedes GLK 350. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Wesley, Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.